This is a short tutorial on how to use your TI84 calculator to find the key statistics to help you explain shape, center, and spread. So I've already loaded into my calculator. Let me second list. I've loaded in this rower's weight data, and because I might want to manipulate it at some point, I took that data. Let's go to L1 and clear it. I took that data and I copied it. So I go up to the L1, I hit enter. I have this L equals down here, and then I go second list, and I see rower's weight is number 7. So I'm saying I want my list 1, which is kind of like an editing placeholder, to be the same data as rower's weight, and I hit enter. And now I have all my rower's weight data in L1. So if I want to calculate, well, center and spread, shape, I have to make a histogram, and that's explained in a different video. But if I want to calculate center and spread, then I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go stat, calc. I want to calculate things, so I'm going to go calc. And these are one variable statistics. So one var stats. So I'm going to press 1. I have to make sure that my mode is different. I'm sorry. My mode, if I go all the way to the bottom here, I like to use, I want the stat wizards off. So that's something that'll help you as well. So I'm going to go back here, second quit, and I'm going to go again. Stat, edit, nope, stat, calc, one variable statistics. Now it looks like that, and I want my statistics for what's in L1. And if you look above the 1, you see in blue there's a little L1 right there. So I go second 1, and that's L1. So I'm telling the calculator I want one variable statistics for my L1, for the data that's in my list 1. I hit enter, and it gives me the statistics. So just so that we can be like really clear here, I just copied a blow-up picture of this first screen on that calculation, and I've copied it over here onto my smartboard. And X bar, so X bar, we're going to use that a lot. That is the mean. That's the mean. That's the center that describes the mean. SX right here is the standard deviation. Don't worry about this one or that one or that one. Don't worry about those right now. We're concerned with the mean and the standard deviation. The N tells us how many data items there were in the data. There are 25 data items. And then if you scroll all the way down here, you get this second screen. So the N25 is now at the top instead of being at the bottom. But this gives me my 5-number summary. It gives me what's the minimum value of the data, my Q1, my median, which is another measure of center, my Q3, and my max. So I have 2 measures of center. One is the mean, and I use that when my shape is unimodal and symmetric. And it gives me a measure of spread, which is the standard deviation. And again, I use that when it is unimodal and symmetric. This gives me minimum and maximum, but more importantly, it gives me the median, which is the center that I use. So this is median. I use that center when a distribution is skewed. And it also gives me the numbers I need to calculate the IQR, interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1. So 217 minus 187.5, oh, I don't know, what's that? 217 minus 187.5, 29.5. That is a measure of spread, again, when the distribution is skewed.